Have you ever wondered about the harmony and balance of the universe? Let's embark on a journey to explore the second point of the 30th letter, a concept that unravels this question's mystery. Picture the universe as a majestic palace. Within its grandeur, there exists a city that is in a perpetual cycle of destruction and reconstruction. This city houses a land that is constantly embroiled in war and migration, a world that teeters between life and death at every moment. Envision a country, a melting pot of thousands of diverse nations living together. On one end, there's a ferocious battle under enemy invasion, and on the other, a magnificent process of reform and reconstruction is unfolding. Millions are transitioning between life and death, while others are migrating in groups, and some are embarking on journeys to unfamiliar lands. Despite this constant flux, essential services like cleanliness, distribution, transportation, production, and food distribution never falter. Help is always at hand, and every need is met. Amidst all this chaos, there's an invisible network that ensures every task is executed with perfect harmony, balance, and justice. There's no wastefulness, just a seamless integration of movement, change, and transformation. Can we really say that such a world is without an owner? Do we believe this country is governed by laws and a constitution whose origins are unknown? Or do we attribute all this governance, command, and order to a coincidence of millions of different reasons coming together? Perhaps this country is managed by someone who sees everything, hears everyone's requests, obeys everyone's will, and knows how to flawlessly and justly execute every task. If this were not the case, wouldn't this country have turned into a battlefield with no one to lend help? And wouldn't its complex cities have descended into chaos, resembling a dump or a cemetery? In this grand scheme of things, the universe appears like a country where stars are born and vanish every moment, an awe-inspiring field where large celestial bodies pass each other at unimaginable speeds, each following a predetermined path. Can we really say that such a world is without an owner, or is there a higher power maintaining this delicate balance? Imagine a country with thousands of different nations living together, yet everything is in perfect harmony and balance. This country is in a state of constant flux. On one hand, battles rage, destructive forces at play, and on the other, a magnificent process of reform and reconstruction is underway. Life and death dance in tandem, with millions departing and millions being born. People arrive in droves, and others set off on journeys to distant realms. Amidst this whirlwind of activity, essential services never falter. Cleanliness, distribution, transportation, production, and food provision run like clockwork. Assistance is at hand, every need met, without a visible network of communication. Every task, every moment, every movement is orchestrated with perfect harmony, balance, and justice. In this constant cycle of change and transformation, there is no sign of wastefulness. Now, ask yourself, could such a country exist without a sovereign? Could it be governed by unknown laws and a constitution, the origins of which are shrouded in mystery? Could the order, the governance, the precision be chalked up to a coincidence of millions of factors aligning just so? It is more plausible to believe that this country is overseen by an entity that sees every detail, hears every plea, knows every will, and understands how each task will be executed most flawlessly and justly. If this were not the case, this country would have descended into chaos long ago, with help a distant dream and cries of distress echoing from every corner. The universe, then, is akin to this country. A grand stage where stars blink into and out of existence, where celestial bodies traverse predetermined paths at mind-boggling speeds. Everything, from the size and density of celestial bodies to their rotational axes and speeds, is calibrated with precision to support the diversity and sustenance of life on Earth. Could this intricate balance be the result of mere coincidence, or is there an unseen force at play? What if this country, this universe, is governed by someone who sees everything, hears everyone, and knows how every task will be done most flawlessly and justly? Imagine a conductor, standing before a grand orchestra, leading each musician, each instrument, in a symphony of celestial bodies. Each note, every rhythm, playing in perfect harmony, creating an enchanting melody that reverberates across the cosmos. This is the universe we inhabit. Each star, each galaxy, each celestial body plays its part in this grand symphony. They dance to a rhythm, a pattern so intricate, so precise that even a minor discordance could disrupt the balance of the universe. Yet we see no discordance, no missteps, only a perfect ballet of stars and galaxies, each performing their roles to perfection. Now let's consider the possibility of this grand orchestra playing without a conductor. Can we expect the same harmony, the same balance? With no one to guide the symphony, won't the orchestra fall into chaos? The musicians playing out of sync, the rhythm disrupted, the melody lost. The grand symphony would turn into a cacophony. This is the same with our universe. Without a guiding hand, a higher power ensuring the perfect harmony and balance, the universe would fall into chaos. Stars colliding, galaxies veering off course, celestial bodies disrupting the rhythm of the cosmos. Yet we see none of this. We see a universe in perfect harmony and perfect balance. This harmony, this balance, doesn't it suggest the existence of a higher power, a conductor of this grand cosmic orchestra, a force that governs the universe, ensuring every celestial body plays its part, maintaining the rhythm and balance of the cosmos? So, we ask again, what if this country, this universe, is governed by someone who sees everything, hears everyone, and knows how every task will be done most flawlessly and justly? Without this unseen force, the universe could have turned into a battlefield with no harmony and balance. The universe is like a tremendous arena where billions of celestial bodies move along a predetermined path. Just take a moment to consider our Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. These three celestial bodies, seemingly so disparate in their nature, are in fact precisely placed within the cosmos, with calculations so intricate that they baffle the mind. Their sizes, densities, rotational axes and rotation speeds have been adjusted to the finest detail, all to ensure the diversity and the means of life on Earth. Take the Moon, for instance. Its size and distance from Earth are no random occurrence. If the Moon were not its current size, or if it were positioned any differently, the Earth's rotation around its axis would be unstable. There would be no night and day, no seasons. The delicate balance of life as we know it would be disrupted. Now, let's think about our home, the Earth. If we were a tad closer to the Sun, we would burn like kindling. If we were a smidge further away, we would be encased in ice. Our planet traverses an elliptical orbit, a journey so precise that it adheres to the laws laid out by Johannes Kepler, a 17th century mathematician and astronomer. As the Earth approaches the Sun, it accelerates. As it moves away, it maintains its speed. Any deviation from this pattern would disrupt the delicate balances that allow life to thrive. And then there's the Sun, our celestial generator. Every second, it converts approximately 620 million cubic meters of hydrogen into helium in its core, providing us with the light and heat that we need to survive. Who could be responsible for such precise calculations and balances if not a higher power? The universe, with its intricate design and perfect harmony, stands as a testament to a grand design, a celestial symphony orchestrated by a maestro beyond our comprehension. It's a dance of celestial bodies, each moving along a predetermined path, each playing its part in the grand scheme of existence. So what does the second point of the 30th letter tell us? It invites us to behold the universe as a grand palace, a cosmic city, where the cycle of destruction and repair, life and death, migration and settlement, all happens simultaneously. It's a country where thousands of nations coexist, where battles and renovations, arrivals and departures, life and death, all take place concurrently. Yet in this seemingly chaotic dance of existence, there is an underlying order, a harmony that never ceases, a balance that is never disrupted. The second point of the 30th letter suggests that this cosmic country isn't ownerless. It's not governed by a set of laws and regulations whose authorship we are oblivious to, nor is it a product of a coincidence of millions of causes. It hints at the presence of an orchestrator, a divine conductor who ensures that this cosmic symphony plays without a missed beat. Someone who sees and hears all, who commands and ensures the execution of every task flawlessly and justly. It brings our attention to the celestial bodies, stars birthed and extinguished each moment, planets and galaxies moving at unimaginable speeds, yet each following a predetermined path. It points to the precision in the positioning of the Earth, Moon and Sun, their sizes, densities, rotational axes and speeds, all finely tuned to support life on Earth. The second point of the 30th letter is a reminder of the delicate balance maintained in the universe, a balance that would be impossible without a higher power, a force beyond our comprehension. It challenges us to question whether such harmony and balance could exist without a divine hand guiding it. The universe, in all its harmony and balance, appears to be a testament to a higher power, a force beyond our comprehension.